Hello there! So today is day 7 of 365. Wala akong masyadong video ngayon na gumawa ko ng furniture kasi nga kanina pumunta ako ng hardware tapos sinama ko tong si Miley. So eto siya. Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! O ayan. Ayan siya. Sinama ko siya tapos dun sa hardware para siyang nanginginig. Uy, nag-smile ang baby oh. Para siya nanginginig dun sa hardware. Tapos nasusuka siya na hindi ko na-gets kung ano nangyayari. So I decided to go home right away and let her rest. Tapos I took care of her whole day. Tapos yun nga yung problem is hindi siya kumakain. Yung batang ito, hindi ito kumain whole day. Pero usually naman talaga, si Miley may mga times talaga na hindi siya kumakain. Kasi nga napaka-picky eater niya. So ngayon, for tonight, samahan nyo na lang ako and we'll prepare Miley's cage. Gusto-gusto talaga niya yan. Kahit saan siya, basta ano. This one is the duck thing na binili ko. Kakabili ko lang. At ito binili ko kanina. Hindi talaga siya kumakain. This is Caesar beef with liver and this one is duck. Tapos ayan, batang yan, hindi yan kumakain. I do hope na kakain siya later. Dali lang na kayo okay. And then I have here bacon and chicken. So hopefully kakain siya mamaya. And then, of course, the water. Very good, Langga. Very good, girl. That's my girl. Favorite talaga kasi niya yung bacon eh. Ayan. And my heart is so happy. Kumakain si Miley. Yung kinakain niya is yung bacon lang talaga, guys. Bacon. Yan kasi yung favorite niya. That's bacon, chicken. Tapos right here is the beef and liver. And then this one is the duck. Actually, binili ko siya ng duck kasi yun yung favorite niya eh. Pero ngayon hindi siya kumain. Pero ito, kumakain siya ng bacon and chicken. So, ayan. Kumakain na siya, guys. It's really nice to see her eating. Medyo nahihirapan din pala siya kumain. Kaya nga, binibili ko siya ng mga ganito. Kasi, masakit po yung ipin niya. Masakit. And then, actually, kailangan pa namin magpa-dental paralysis. Pero hindi pa pwede ngayon kasi nga nag-under medication pa siya. I'm so happy lang na kumain na siya kasi papainumin natin siya ng gamot right after niyang kumain. So, time for some medicine. So, this one is the Puppy Doxy, doxycycline, and then this one is the Live Well for her liver protection. So, we will go over this one first and then we will wait around. Nagbibigay ako ng pahinga sa kanya 30 minutes. Actually yung sinasuggest nung doctor niya is at least 10 minutes, pero ako ginagawa kong 30 minutes, which is okay din naman. This is 1 ml and she needs to take 1.2 ml of this doxycycline once a day. Ay, sorry. Okay, open mouth, baby. Open up. Ayaw talaga kasi niya nito. Okay. Sige, come here, come here. Come here. You need to get up na. Huh? It's good that you eat lang ba? Okay? Okay, that's 1 ml. And then 0.2. Okay. Yes. And then we will wait for 30 minutes. And then papainumin natin siya ng Puppy Live Well. This is 2 ml. For now, you may take a rest. For Live Well. So, sa Live Well, wag kang lumabas. So, sa Live Well, 2 ml yung kailangan natin. So, tara at painumin natin si Miley nito. It's okay, baby. This is for her liver protection. Kasi nga nagdo-doxycycline siya. Come here. Come here. Open mouth. Open mouth. Alright. Last. Okay. Once a day lang naman to. Okay. So, tapos na nga siya. So, she's done with all the medicine. So, tapos na nga si Miley lahat. It's time for her to rest. And for me to rest. So, that's it for today, guys. Bye-bye from Miley and Mommy.